know. She's the second one.
I know.
Oh no, I'm saying it to the video. She's the second from the right.
There you go.
Tonight, Steve and I will be here a little while. Alright, this is our Ballet 4-5 section 2. And we're going to also show you some steps that aren't going to be in our dance. First, we have Scarlett and Evie. They are going to show you tendus front to the front and to the side from first position. First position, 5, 6, 7, 8, tendu, whoops, and close. Tendu to the side, and close. That's good. Tendu, and close. Tendu, and close. Good job, girls. Alright, now we have Antonia and Abigail. Yay! Antonia and Abigail are going to show you chassés. So our hands are on our hips. We're going to point our toe to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1.
1, 2, 2.
Get ready. Good job.
Yay!
Good job, Abby.
Hallie and Annabelle. Hallie and Annabelle are going to show you a chassé. Let's begin. First position.
That face.
5, 6, 7, 8. Ace of head and close. Ace of head and close. Woo! Great job.
Point.
Did Abby do so good?